4 people were killed in a shooting at Appalachia High School in Winder, Georgia, according to the Georgia Bureau of Investigation. Another 9 people have been taken to hospitals with injuries, the Bureau said. Barrow County Sheriff Judd Smith said described the day's events as an evil thing. The high school received a phone call this morning warning there would be shootings at 5 schools and that Appalachia would be the first, law enforcement sources in Georgia tell CNN. The shooter is believed to be a 14-year-old, but it's unknown whether he attended the school, a law enforcement source tells CNN. Winder is about an hour outside of Atlanta and had a population of about 18,300 as of the 2020 census, according to the U.S. Census Bureau.